Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. In a robotic automation production line, setting up assembly tools is a crucial step. Proper setup of assembly tools not only improves production efficiency but also ensures product quality. Today, we will learn how to set up assembly tools in our robotic system. Through this lesson, we hope that you will master the basic steps and methods for adding and configuring assembly tools in the robotic system, and be able to independently complete the position setup of assembly tools, including adjustments to translation and rotation parameters, ensuring the setup is correct. Now, let's move on to the hands-on exercise. Before setting up the assembly tools, we need to find the Parts option in the left menu and add a tool base. Locate the tool base in the Model Library's Quick Change Tool folder and add it. Selecting High Quality. Next, find Robot GP1 in the left menu. Expand the Robot GP1 directory, then expand the Tooling directory, and locate UT1. Right-click on it, select Properties, and in the Properties dialog, click the Parts tab. First, check the boxes for Tool Base, Flat Nose Claw Tool, and Motor Finished Product. Then click Apply. Next, click on Motor Finished Product. Check the Edit Part Offset box and modify the position to Z148, W180. Click Apply. Once the settings are completed, click on Motor Finished Product again and uncheck the Visible at Each Time box. Then click Apply. For the Flat Nose Claw tool, perform the same operation. Next, check the boxes for Arc Jaw Claw tool, Joint Base, and Joint Finished Product, then click Apply. Click on Joint Finished Product again. Check the Edit Part Offset box and modify the position to Y-55, Z122, W-90, P-90. Then click Apply. Next, click on Joint Base. Check the Edit Part Offset box and modify the position to Y-55, Z122, W-90, P-90. Then click Apply. Once the settings are complete, uncheck the Visible at Each Time box for Arc Jaw Claw tool, Joint Base, and Joint Finished Product. Next, check the boxes for Vacuum Suction Cup tool and Reducer. Then click Apply. Click on Reducer. Check the Edit Part Offset box and modify the position to Z103, W180. Click Apply. Once the settings are complete, uncheck the Visible at Teach Time box for both the reducer and vacuum suction cup tool. This completes the setup of the assembly tools. To review today's lesson, we learned how to set up assembly tools in the robotic system, starting from adding the tool base, configuring the tools for Robot GP1, and setting the position parameters for each assembly tool. We completed the entire setup process step by step. Through this lesson, you have not only mastered the basic methods of setting up assembly tools but also improved your practical skills. These skills will have a positive impact on our future work, helping us better address the challenges of robotic automation production lines.